Person A started a work and left after working for 4 days. So we will assume that a person A, every day he can do A amount of work, and like that for 4 days. So in 4 days he will do 4A amount of work. Then B was called in and he finished the remaining work in 8 days. So we will assume that B, every day he will do B amount of work like that for 8 days. So, and like this the work was completed. So the whole work is 4A plus 8B. Had A left the work after working for 5 days, if A had worked for 5 days, B would have finished the remaining work in 4 days. So remaining work would have been done by B in 4 days. So like this also the whole work can be completed. Now the question is, find the ratio of the work done by A and B. So we can equate these two values. So 4A plus 8B is equal to 5A plus 4B. I'll just bring 4A to this side. So you will get A is equal to 8B minus 4B, that is equal to 4B. Or A by B, you will get it as 4 by 1. So A is to B, the work done will be in the ratio 4 is to 1. Option C, 4 is to 1. All the page numbers from a book are added, beginning with the page number 1. So you are adding the numbers 1, 2, 3, so on. So assume that there are n pages. Then if you add all the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, the total sum is obtained as n into n plus 1 by 2. However, one page number was mistakenly added twice. So assume that that page number is x. So that number was added one more time. So it is added one more time, and then the sum was obtained as 63. Which page number was added twice? So you must find out the value of x. Now I'll multiply throughout by 2, so all the denominators will go off. So n into n plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 126. So n into n plus 1 is equal to 126 minus 2x. Now we must find out the minimum value of n such that n into n plus 1 is just less than 126. Now if you consider n is equal to 10, 10 into 10 plus 1, 11, that is equal to 110. You can see that it is just less than 126. So if you assume n is equal to 10, this is 110, and that will be 126 minus 2x. So 2x you will get it as 126 minus 110, 16, or x is equal to 8. So the page number which was added twice is 8. So option D, 8. The alphabets of the word CLAP are arranged to form 4-letter words. If the results are arranged in ascending order, as in a dictionary, what is the rank of the word CLAP? So you have the alphabet C, L, A and P. They are arranged in ascending order, like in a dictionary. So initially you have words that start with A. Now after exhausting all the words that start with A, then you have words that start with C, then L, and finally words that start with P. Now let us find out the total number of words that are possible. These 4 blanks are to be filled. This can be C, L, A or P. So this blank can be filled in 4 ways. Remaining 3, remaining 2, remaining 1. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24 words are possible. Now what they are asking is, if these 24 words, they are arranged like in a dictionary, what is the rank of the word CLAP, or what is its position? Now the best way to do such questions is, altogether 24 words are there. How many words will be there before this word CLAP? So we'll find out the words that will come before the word CLAP. Then we can find its rank or position. Now initially you have words that start with A. Now all the words that will start with A will come before CLAP, because A is before C. So these 3 blanks you can fill them in any order you like. A is already fixed here. So CL or P, so 3 ways, remaining 2, remaining 1. So 3 into 2 into 1, 6 words are there. That will start with A, and they will all come before CLAP. Then you have words that start with C. And the first one will start with C and A. if you fix C and A here, the word will come before CLAP because A is before L. So here you have L and P, it can be P and L also. So either L or P, two of them, then remaining one. So two words. So 6 plus 2, 8 words gone. Now let us calculate, now let us identify the next word. C and A is over. Then you will have to start with CL. And the first one will be CLAP. So this is the word that we need, and this will be the ninth word. Because 8 words already gone here, and the next word will be CLAP, and that is the ninth word. So rank or position of the word CLAP is ninth. That is option B, ninth. 3 bells ring at intervals of 10, 15 and 24 minutes respectively. All the bells ring simultaneously at 8 am. When will they ring together for the next time? So if you look at the first bell, it rings at intervals of 10 minutes. So at the end of 10 minutes it will ring, and after another 10 minutes it will ring at 20 minutes, then after another 10 minutes it will ring at 30, then 40 and so on. That is in multiples of 10 minutes. Now the second bell, it rings at intervals of 15 minutes. So 15, then 30, 45, 60 and so on. Next bell will ring at intervals of 24 minutes to 24, 48, 72, so on. Now when will they all ring together for the next time? Initially it rang at 8 am. When will they all ring together? First one in multiples of 10, second one in multiples of 15, and the third one in multiples of 24. So we must have a number which is a multiple of 10, 15 and 24. So if we have a number which is a multiple of 10, 15 and 24, they will all ring together at that number. That is, you must find out the LCM of 10, 15 and 24. 10 is 2 into 5, 15 is 3 into 5 and 24 is 8 into 3. So when you calculate the LCM, here you have 5 here, then 3 here, then 2 and 8. That LCM will be 8. So that will be 5 into 3 into 8. 5 into 8 is 40. 40 into 3 gives you 120. So 120 is the LCM of 10, 15 and 24. That is 120 is divisible by 10, 15 as well as 24. So at the end of 120 minutes, all three of them will ring again. 120 minutes is same as 2 hours. So 2 hours after 8 am. So they will all ring together at 10 am, option C. Which of the following cannot be expressed as the sum of three distinct positive composite numbers? Now 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. So the first positive composite number is 4. 5 is a prime number, then 6 is available, and the next one is 8. So these are the first three composite numbers. Now if you add them up, 4 plus 6 plus 8, 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 8 is 18. So their minimum sum will be 18. So 16 cannot be expressed as the sum of three distinct positive composite numbers. If you add up any three composite numbers, minimum sum will be 18. So 16 is not possible. Hence option C, 16 is the right answer.